Assalamu alaikum. This video is for class 3. Subject is English. And this is our 14th lesson. Students, today we'll do comprehension passage. So in today's class, we'll be discussing comprehension that I'm giving you. So let's begin what comprehension is. When you are comprehending something, it means you are understanding it. This little drawing shows you that it means I understand what I read. So students, put on your thinking caps and let's begin with the comprehension. Okay. Title of the story is Bob the Frog. Okay, now let's see the comprehension. Okay, so the story is about Bob the Frog. Let's see what happens in this story. Okay, Bob is a frog. Okay, so Bob is actually the name of a frog. He is green with yellow spots. He's green in color with yellow spots on it. He has a long, sticky tongue that he uses to catch flies. So basically the tongue of the frog is usually long and sticky, okay, that they uses to catch flies and insects. And he lives near a pond. So the Bob lives near a pond. Pond is basically a kind of pool, a small body of still water. Sometimes he goes into the water and sometimes he stays on the land. An amphibian can live both on land and in water. All the frogs live on land. Okay, students, frogs can live on land as well as in water because they are amphibians. Amphibians are small vertebrates that need water or a moist environment to survive. Okay, these species, this group include frogs, toads, etc. etc. All can breathe and absorb water through their very thin skin. Bob has strong legs that he uses to hop. Hop means jump. So Bob has strong legs that he uses to jump. When Bob was a little baby, he was called a tadpole. Students, have you ever seen a tadpole? Tadpole is a small black creature with a large head and long tail that lives in water and then develops into a frog. You'll see the picture in the next slide. Okay, this is all about the story of a frog. The name of the frog is a bob. He is green in color with yellow spots, and he has a long sticky tongue that he uses to catch flies. He lives near a pond. He goes into the water and sometimes stays on the land as well. And then when he was a little baby, he was called a tadpole. Okay, students, now see, look at these two pictures. Okay, in first picture, as you can see, the tongue of a frog. Students, frogs' tongues are attached to the front of their mouths rather than at the back like humans. And when a frog catches an insect, it throws its sticky tongue out and its mouth. Okay, tongue out of its mouth and wraps it around its prey. And then the frog's tongue then snaps back and throws the food down its throat. So the stickiness of the tongue allows for the frog to hold on to its prey so that it can't fly away. Okay, the second picture is of a tadpoles. Okay, now we'll do question answers. Okay, so we have 5 questions. I hope the story is clear to you, and now you can easily write these answers. Question number 1 is, who is Bob? Answer is yes. Yes, Bob is a frog. Question number 2. What color is Bob? Yes, he is green with yellow spots. Question number 3. What sort of tongue does Bob have? What could be the answer? Answer is, he has a long, sticky tongue. So what sort of a tongue does Bob have? He has a long, sticky tongue. Question number 4 is, what does Bob use his tongue for? Answer is, he uses his tongue to catch flies. Question number 5. What was Bob called when he was little? Answer is, when Bob was a little baby, he was called a tadpole. Okay, students, we are done with the story and with question answers as well. Okay, now see the instruction. Read the given comprehension and write question answers in your notebook. Students, not only read, but you have to write this comprehension passage with question answers in your notebook. Okay? I hope it's clear. आपने comprehension passage भी लिखना है notebook पे और question answers भी लिखने हैं. And thanks for watching.